Hello, everyone, and welcome to the second ever virtual moving up assembly for Renton High School. I am Miss Moore, your friendly ASB advisor. And even though this was a really crazy year and we're not able to be together to do this, we still wanted to celebrate and honor the academic achievements of our students here at Renton High School, because we understand that this year brought a lot of difficulties. So today we celebrate the transition from high school for our seniors moving into adulthood and the change of class standing for everybody else. This is a very important occasion at Renton High School, and we want to thank you guys for attending the ceremony. Now, please give a warm welcome to our very own Renton High Choir, who will be singing the national anthem.
Oh, say can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose bright stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red flare above bursting air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free, the land of the free, and the hope of
And now please give a warm welcome to Trishani Lewis, who will be singing the Black National Anthem.
Lift every voice and sing till earth and heaven ring, ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let our rejoicing rise high as the listening skies. Let it resound loud as the rolling sea. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the present has brought us. Facing the rising sun of our new day begun, let us march on till victory is won.
Thank you so much, Renton Choir and Trishani. Now let's get this assembly started. Even though we are unable to do this physically this year, Renton High School celebrates those who have served and will serve as class, club, and ASB officers. The outgoing officer terms are now coming to an end, and it is up to the incoming officers to continue the legacy of pride, tradition, and excellence in this upcoming school year.
We want to say a big thank you to the ASB officers from the past year for working hard to create community and connection at Renton High during this difficult quarantine time.
First, our RHS ASB Executive Board, which consisted of Hannah Lewis, Saudi Villanueva Morales, Rebecca Fernandez, Lena Bong, Marissa Enchanez, Talia McLennan, Cora Supasatit, Lil Mr. Brooks Harris, and Kirby Nguyen.
Next, our senior class officers led by President Catherine Dang, Tan Thao Ni Dang, Heaven Muse, and Jade Satterforen.
Our junior class officers led by President Ever Spunger, Yuen Do, Angelina Guyan, and Jordan Vieira.
Our sophomore class officers led by President Lillian Pham, Hannah Fontanes Heasley, Dylan Lay, Kai Vu, and Max Vu.
And finally, our freshman class officers led by President Sophia LaRosa, Kaylee Madden, Tara Nguyen, and Hevelyn Wong.
And I want to introduce the ASBN class officers for the year 21 and 22. We're looking forward to bringing on next year. Our ASB Executive Board, I want to congratulate Kirby Nguyen as our new ASB President, Jordan Vieira as ASB Treasurer, Talia McLennan as ASB Club Coordinator, Heidi No as ASB Meeting Secretary, Estrella Harrell, ASB Financial Secretary, Gershani Lewis, ASB Activities Publicity Director, and Elijah Spear, ASB Athletics Publicity Director. Also, I want to welcome our ASB Activities Support Crew, Josiah Gray, Sophia LaRosa, and Kaylee Matt. Class of 2022, Itzel Palma, Class President, Connor Fontania, Class Officer. We'll be electing 2 more positions for that class in the fall. Class of 2023, Max Vu, Class President, Hannah Fontanes Heasley, Vice President, Kai Vu, Treasurer, Lillian Pham, Secretary, and Anthony Zamora, Publicity Director. And Class of 2024, Tara Nguyen, Class President, Evelyn Wong, Vice President, Noah Safin, Treasurer, Josh Avalon, Secretary, and Shirley Martinez, Publicity Director. Congratulations to you all, and we'll look forward to an amazing year next year.
The Henry Moses Awards are given to students who embody the spirit of Henry Moses. Teachers select these students in order to recognize them for their respect, pride, and determination both inside and outside of the classroom.
First, Ms. Sweeney to Salman Abdi,
Ms. Swanson to Sadiqa Dash,
Ms. Thornton to Lavanya Afalava,
Mr. Swanson to Sweda Ali,
Ms. Walker to Lance Alonzo,
Ms. Wetzel to Aravic Arashian,
Ms. Barut Del Fiero to Jacob Bain,
Mr. Michael to Christian Barrios,
Ms. Milner to Zamaria Baxton Segura,
Mr. Kutsanov to Hewen Bara,
Ms. Arordi to Raquaria Bell Bloodsaw,
Ms. Kiopania to Bethany Bruno Moreno,
Ms. Nishiwaki to Kiara Carter,
Mr. Walk to Tanner Cooper,
Mr. Howard to Alexis Cruz Tapia,
Ms. Kiopania to Joshua Davis,
Ms. Hassan to Antonio Delgado,
Mr. Windmill to Richie Doan,
Ms. Soul to Zach Dung,
Ms. Blanchard to Herdina Equabazki,
Ms. Robertson to Mia Ewing,
Ms. San Diego to Red Tristan Fabro,
Mr. Lim to Catherine Flores,
Ms. Scheinbaum to Yesley Garcia Bonilla,
Ms. Moore to Kalia Glover,
Mr. Seisland to John Jive Gray,
Ms. Squire to Alejandra Gulen,
Mr. Pirelli to Samaya Gulej,
Miss Rich to Deja Harrison,
Ms. Kiopania to Moises Herrera Acosta,
Mr. Creek to Jenny Huyn,
Ms. Bressmeyer to Samaj Johnson Gruss,
Mr. Domer to Kai Sung Lam,
Mr. White to Trishani Lewis,
Mr. Beno and Miss Orbegoza to Luis Luisma,
Ms. Richards to Yaxari Lomelli,
Mr. Okimoto to Kathleen Liu,
Mr. Eager to Mark Manlamos,
Mr. Villa Cisco Morin,
Ms. Paulson to Josiah Munoz,
Miss Derrick and Miss Moore to Heaven Muse,
Ms. Spitznass to Brandon No,
Mr. Windmill to Kirby Wynn,
Ms. Hassan to Tian New,
Miss Kiopanya to Artavian Palmer,
Mr. Clemens to Nathan Party,
Mr. Mattingly to Kathy Fan,
Ms. Pike to Brittany Ramirez Mays,
Miss Lacana Sanchez to Alicia Ruiz,
Ms. Kelgatian to Annalise Ruiz,
Mr. Villalobos to Sin Ran Shi,
Ms. Berry to Nikki Sparks,
Hernandez to Benny Sai,
Ms. Nair to Sean Torres,
Miss Spitznotz to Karen Tran,
Mr. Brown to Stephen Tran,
Miss Shaw to Lillian Urias,
Ms. Yang to Cherise Valles,
Mr. Willicke to Donald Vinson,
Mr. Andrews and Mr. Du Bois to Aiden Walker,
Mr. King to Sam Weich.
and finally, Ms. Tunes to Ping Yu.
Congrats to all those who have received a Henry Moses Award. Now, let's congratulate the students that have pushed themselves academically beyond. The IB program is a rigorous course study that many RHS students are a part of. There are currently 6 seniors who have completed the IB diploma program this year and have earned the right to wear the IB medal at graduation. These are the students.
And listed here are the 57 students who have completed their IB certificate.
Out of all the amazing IB students we have had this year, 2 were chosen in recognition of their extraordinary efforts and specific concentrations of the IB program.
CAS Superstar and EE Distinguished Student, Narciso Carrig.
And the TOK scholar, Jenny Huyn.
We also want to take this opportunity to congratulate our Running Start students who are on track for receiving their AA degrees.
Finally, all our amazing graduating seniors, we want to specifically congratulate for achieving the right to wear an honor cord at their graduation ceremony.
Here are the students that have achieved a 3.5 GPA or higher and will be receiving gold cords. And here are the seniors that make up the top 7% of the graduating class of 2021. These seniors will be recognized by wearing red and white honor cords. Congratulations to all of our students who have worked so hard throughout the years to receive these honors.
Now for our RHS Top 12. Every year, the RHS staff come together to nominate seniors who represent the best of our school in academics, activities, sports, and community involvement. Usually, these students are recognized at a meeting with family involvement. Unfortunately, though, this year, that recognition was unable to take place. Nonetheless, these 12 seniors deserve to be recognized for all they do. Lavinia Afalava, Andrew Beckley, Ryan Bening, Narciso Carrig, Raja Evans, Kalila Firestone, Jenny Huynh, Gian Lipa, Karen Tran, Stephen Tran, Saudi Villanueva Morales, and Anna Weich.
Department awards are given to students who go above and beyond an interest and learning attitude. They are known for their academic strength within a specific subject area. We want to congratulate all students who have shown their deeper commitment to each subject. For math, we have Kai Wendorf, Charisse Balls, Avery Pettick, Jenny Huynh, and Stephen Tran.
For language arts, Quinae Nene Hollins, Riley McDonald, Kendall Brown, Emiliano Rivera Patton, Kathleen Liu, and Stephen Tran.
For our science department, we have Tegan Pettick, Marissa Ichanes, Jordan Vieira, Richie Doan, Karen Tran.
For physical education, we have Sophia La Rosa, Brunel Thomas, Zirisi Valiano Reyes, Mark Menlemos, and finally, Frank Ventura.
For our ELL department award, we have Hajar Al-Hasmi, Nelly Musiwa, Ramiro Sanchez del Toro, Kai Sung Lam, and Wang Wang.
For business ed, marketing, and tech, we have Michelle Arajane Reyes, Talia McLennan, Jorge Arcasio, Leslie Davina, and Angelo San Jose.
For our social studies department award, we have Cora Supasadet, Angus Nordland, Narciso Karig, and Stephen Tran.
For creative and performing arts, we have Sophia La Rosa, Aileen Toscano Perez, Parker Haynes, Bree Cox, and Forham.
CTE department awards go to Tara Wang, Gabe Anderson, Avery Connell, Antonio Delgado, Tian Wang, Jenny Huynh, and Lian Liu.
For our Written High School World Language Department, we have Dennis Toscano Perez, Inzi Reyes, Louise Lucima, Jenny Huynh, and Stephen Tran.
RLC department awards, we would like to congratulate Zamara Baxton Segara and Alexis Cruz Tapia.
For our Counseling Department awards, we have Natalie Wilson, Shoshani Lewis, Tan Thao Nien Deng, and Nathaniel Party.
Finally, our Goals/ILC department awards go to Yusuf Fauzi, Tanner Cooper, Salman Abdi, Jacob Shaw, and Nikki Sparks.
Attendance awards. So as we all know, it's a really challenging time to get up every morning and come to school, especially when you're on Zoom. So these students have managed to get out of bed and come to school for 180 days in a row. No small feat. With the onset of the pandemic, new challenges have arose, and their resilience and their dedication to attend class should definitely be recognized. So these students are as follows. Congratulations on your amazing dedication.
Resiliency is the ability to get past barriers put in our way by life. Here are the RHS students who have demonstrated resilience over the past year.
Next is our Scholar Athlete Awards. These students have shown strong dedication and willpower in their respective sports. We want to congratulate them for being exceptional students in school and in their particular athletics that they're involved in. Jack Anderson for boys swim. Amanda Guyan for girls soccer and girls basketball. Jalen Johnson for boys basketball. Mark Manlamos for boys track. And Anna Weich for girls tennis. Congratulations.
Each year, the senior class selects a few teachers who have had a positive impact on their high school careers. These teachers have shown time and time again that their influence has had a change on their students.
This year, the teachers who were selected as most inspirational were Mr. King and Ms. Tunis. Please take a few minutes to read over what some students had to say about these inspirational teachers.
Hello, class of 2021, and happy graduation. I am so honored to have been voted one of your most inspirational teachers this year. I'm grateful and I'm humbled to receive this award. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. And I hope you know that you have been an inspiration to me this year as well. Some of you I have been lucky enough to know since your freshman year. Others, we have never even met in person, just online classes. Either way, you are one of the reasons that I get out of bed every morning, that I have something to smile about, something to plan for, something to keep trying for, even when life gets hard and stays hard. Thank you for the impact you have on my life every day. The K-12 journey has always been a long and sometimes arduous one. High school graduation has always been an important milestone worthy of celebration. But class of 2021, let's be real. Your journey has been different than that of any class before you. You have been faced with obstacles and challenges that no class before yours could even have imagined. It's like you have been running the K-12 marathon just like you planned, just like you expected, but then 15 months ago, someone snuck in and increased the incline of the course and then gave you a backpack full of rocks to carry and then stole your shoes. But here you are. You have done it. You have overcome challenges that you thought were impossible. You have built strength and resilience and endurance that you couldn't even imagine. And you have made it to your high school graduation. You might be feeling a million different emotions today, but what I hope you're feeling at this moment is pride. Pride in this incredible accomplishment. And whatever comes next for you, know that you are up to the challenge, ready to keep becoming the you that you want to be. And if I could offer just a few words of wisdom for your journey forward, here they are. Tell the corny jokes and laugh at them. Find the things and the people that give you joy and invest everything you have in them. Discover what you think is really, truly important and prioritize that at all times. Be kind. Be kind to yourself, be kind to the people you love, and be kind to perfect strangers. And above all, believe that you are amazing, powerful, and worthy of joy, of love, and of success, because you are. Class of 2021, congratulations. I celebrate you today. Happy graduation.
Hi, seniors. Thank you for this incredible honor that you have given me. So many of you have inspired me these last 4 years, and I want to thank you all for shaping me, helping me be a better teacher and a better human being. Our walk through life takes us down many paths, and for a limited time, we share that same path. Some of us were on the path together for only 1 trimester, while others of you have been on that same path with me for nearly 4 years. Through it all, we've laughed, we fought, we cried, yet I'm thankful for all of you and sharing our journey together for however long it has been. I met several of you 4 years ago and others just this year. If I only met you this year, you probably know me better than I do you, thanks to all those Zoom calls. It may not have been the most personable experience, but it was definitely a memory we will share for the rest of our lives. There's about 50 of you that I've had in class for 2 years. When our paths collided, it looked pretty smooth. I remember we got halfway through your junior year and the warning signs came out that our smooth trail had been washed away. We now had to take on a challenge we felt unprepared for, yet we got through it together. There are many of you I've known since you entered as freshmen. Maybe you ran cross country, maybe you were in my advisory, maybe you just happened to be going to Mr. Diaz's room for freshman language arts next door, and we talked in the hallway. Talking in the hall is a great way for me to get to know students I don't know yet, but maybe I will one day in the future. I would say to you to also talk to people you don't know, as you never know when they might cross your path in the future. Finally, I want to say that I hope you all go out and accomplish things that are great to you. They might be great to others, but especially that they are great to you. You all have so many things you are capable of, and all of us here at Renton are rooting for you. You've come a long way from where you began, and we can't wait to hear all about it if our paths ever meet up again. Congratulations, seniors. Good luck.
We also want to take this time to recognize Mr. Heft and Ms. Blanchard for their years of dedication at Renton High School. Thank you for all you have done.
Also moving on to new adventures are Miss Bale, Miss Fulmer, Miss Nair, Miss Walker, and Miss War. We wish you all the very best. The Heart of Renton Award. Our next award goes to the student selected by our senior class who represents the true heart of Renton. Congratulations, Lavinia Afalava, for receiving the Heart of Renton Award.
Here are our final awards to present. Each year, the principal of Renton High School selects a couple of outstanding seniors to personally recognize. Congratulations to the following students: Narciso Carrig, Richie Doan, and Kalila Firestone.
Let's give another round of applause for the outstanding students who have received awards. Next up, we have a senior farewell dance presented by the Real Spitz Knot Society.
Congratulations, class of 2021.
You've been trying to work.
You've been stuck at home for long enough.
Maybe you can see how far you've come.
Maybe.
You're going through withdrawals.
We've spent all year on Zoom for school.
Talking to your teachers and your friends.
Virtually.
Renton High is cold and empty. No one around to talk to.
This isn't how it's supposed to be.
I said, ooh. You're the class of 21.
You worked so hard, and now your time has come.
Your diploma's coming soon.
You've made us proud.
Your friends and family too.
Here we go.
Hey. Hey.
It's time to say goodbye to
the life you knew at Renton High.
So hit the road in overdrive.
Baby.
Ooh.
Renton High is cold and empty.
No one around to talk to.
This isn't how it's supposed to be. B-E-E.
You're the class of 21. You've worked so hard, and now your time has come.
The diploma's coming soon.
You made us so proud.
and your friends and family too.
We're just calling back to let you know.
Know that you've got a future for you.
Hold on to your dreams this time. You're the class of 21. You've worked so hard, and now the time has come.
Hey, hey, hey!
Yo, that was bad.
Totally lasted the whole thing.
Really? English?
Hey.
Hey. Hey.
Said, ooh. You're the class of 21. You've worked so hard, and now the time has come.
Congratulations, class of 2021. So proud of you. You made it.
All right, everyone, now that we are coming to the end of our Moving Up assembly, it is time for some final traditions. Thank you for sticking around to the end of the video.
Moving on and moving up means that some doors close and some doors open. This is even more true for our senior class. And with that, this is the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Let's get started with our moving up ceremony presented by our ASB class officers.
Freshman class officers, please take down your freshman banner to reveal your sophomore banner.
Oh. My freshman year. Whoa! One. My sophomore. My freshman. Oh. My freshman year. Go, go.
Sophomore class, please take down your sophomore banner to reveal your junior banner.
Junior class officers, please take down your junior banner to reveal your senior banner.
And seniors, please take down your senior class banner to reveal your new role as alumni.
Thank you so much for joining us today and wrapping up the 2020-2021 school year. It's been a crazy one. So we appreciate you guys celebrating with us. Seniors, make sure to stick around and take a look at the senior slideshow coming up next. And with that, everybody, please welcome our very own RHS choir performing our alma mater.
Leafy trees surrounding beneath the spacious skies. Stands alone our hall of wisdom, knowledge great and wise. Sing her honors, praise her greatness, shout them to the skies. Hail to thee, our alma mater, hail to Renton High.
We did it.
Not the gang signs.